Gia?
Yes.
Hey, how's it going?
Good. How are you?
Welcome. Yeah, feel free to come in, just sit down. Got a chair there for you. Yeah. All right. Wow. So, Luna has told me some good things about you.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, she's really cool.
Yeah, I stay with her. You feel it?
So, have you ever heard any guys compliment you on how good you?
Listen, I'm Filipino and I've heard that a lot. So I'm just gonna say yes.
So, from your experience, it seems like it's more than an urban myth.
Yeah.
That is.
Yeah. I'd say so.
And your sex drives. I mean, I've noticed. I mean, just from shooting for this website, Filipino women are a lot of fun.
I'm a horny motherfucker.
Oh my God, that is amazing. I really love to hear that. I know everybody watching will as well. So I guess if everything sounds agreeable to you, I will show you some paperwork, and then we can get started with the photo shoot.
Yeah, that'd be great.